the sweetness of being with you all of the day. Oh, I pray, help this wandering heart to remain in you. I am blessed in you, so content. Guide my feet, cause them to keep walking in your perfect way, your perfect way, your loving, selfless way. Let me not negotiate with the old man that I now hate. Let him be nothing else but dead, that I might exist as alive only in Christ. I am free only in Christ, so happy, refining fire, healing my mind, mold me into the image of love, the image of love, beautiful image of you, who is love. Here is the life that I